Hello and welcome to my e-lesson. I'm your guru, and in today's video I'll tell you how you can calculate salary based on attendance. See, in this sheet I have taken the attendance of these people. Their attendance is maintained over here, all right, and automatically their salary is calculated. You can use this for your company purpose, for your office purpose, for any place where you need to maintain salaries. In fact, over here we have basic DA, HRA, conveyance, medical allowance, bonuses, everything, even PF, professional tax, advance salary, TDS, everything is taken into account. All that you need to do is just enter the attendance over here. So these are the four names: like Singh, share Kumar, comment G, and subscribe me. I bet now you know what you have to do while watching this video. You have to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And all that you have to do is enter P for present, A for absent, L for leave. For week offs, just leave it blank. It will automatically calculate. See over here, I have mentioned the legends. You can actually go ahead and download this sheet from myelesson.org. P is for present, L is for leave, which is paid leave, A is for absent, which is non-paid leave, and blank cells will be week offs, salary days, which I mentioned over here. This is calculated, all right? So these are the days for which you have to pay the salary, all right? So how I have calculated this? See over here, I have used the COUNTIF formula is equal to count if, open the bracket, select the range which you want to count, all right, and press comma and open the quote symbol, press P because we are counting P, correct? P for present, and we get the answer 17 present days, all right. Similarly, I have counted, see, leave. Similarly, I have counted absent also. And salary days, how I have counted is, I have taken the sum of present and leave because leave is paid, correct? Over here, I've taken the sum of present and leave plus the sum of week offs, which I have counted using count blank formula. So what does count blank formula do? It simply counts the number of blank cells in a range. So how you can apply it is equal to count blank and then simply select the range. So I'm showing you this over here. In this range, you have 5 week offs. So what I've done over here is, in this cell, I have taken the sum of AG3, which is this, plus AH3 plus this, and count blank this range. So I got salary days. Simple. Now my attendance is calculated. You can maintain it yourself. And in the salary sheet, I have to simply mention the names of the employees and their CTC. Plus, that's it. Over here, their salary days are taken using VLOOKUP automatically from this sheet. See? And the salary guidelines I have mentioned over here so that you can use them to make your own calculations. So I'll tell you how I made the salary sheet. So over here is the salary serial number. Here is the name, their departments, the month you have to enter, July, year again you have to enter, total number of days you have to type in. Salary days will be calculated based on the name that is mentioned over here. Plus you have to mention their CTC. The rest all is calculated. I will show you. Okay. So how I applied the VLOOKUP, see, is equal to VLOOKUP, and the lookup value would be the name. I press comma. The table array would be this sheet, and I select this complete area, and I'm looking up the salary days, which is in column number 36C. It is written 36C. So 4 rows and 36 columns. So I'll enter comma 36, comma 0. I will fix this range. because if I drag the formula down, then it will still work. I'll press F4, it will lock, and I get my answer. See, automatically the CTC for April has been calculated based on the number of days present. The full month salary should be 50,000, but since he's present for 26 days, so the April salary would be 41,935. The base salary is 50% of this. The DA is again 12% of the salary, and the HR is 20% of the salary, and the conveyance allowance is 16% of the salary, and medical expenses 2%. All this is calculated. You can change these figures according to you, and these numbers will change. So if I make it say 4%, see it changes. Bonus you have to type in, PA you have to type in, the total gets calculated automatically, total gross salary, and total deductions, they get calculated based on PF percentage, which I mentioned 12%. Professional tax you have to type in. TDS and salary advance you have to type in. And the net payable salary is the difference between the total gross salary minus the total deductions. Very simple. Salary guidelines are mentioned over here so that you can make the salary sheet accordingly. And the attendance sheet is already made. It's very, very simple. Use two formula, COUNTIF and COUNTBLANK plus the sum formula. So hope you like this video. In this small video, I've tried to explain how you can make attendance and salary sheet together. And if you like this video, please go ahead and click on the like button. If you have any question, please mention it in the comments. I will answer for you. And please do subscribe to the channel, and you can download this sheet from myelesson.org. So until the next video, this is your Guru now signing off for the day. Have a wonderful day ahead. Happy learning.